just wanted to do an unboxing video of a little micro amp that I got here. I had been using for years, probably about 15 years here in the drum studio, this micro amp here, if you can see it. It's a little old and outdated. Things were starting to go wrong, and so I needed something new. So I decided to get this LZSIG Micro AMP, the LHA1. Okay, so we're gonna open this up for the first time, see what we have in here. You know, there's you can plug in 4 headphones into this, so you get a little user manual here. Looks like you get an AC, the adapter for the wall, and then here's the unit itself. Okay, so all right, I like the size of it. I like the color. Yeah, it does four microphones, or four headphones. You can see on the back here, one of the reasons that I got this was that it also has, oops, I can see it. It also has inputs for an 1/8 inch jack and a 1/4 inch jack. So if you notice on the back of my old one here, it's just 1/4 inch jacks. And I would always run into the problem because, for example, most microphones, oh, here we go. Most microphones are 1/8 inch. And so I would always have to use these adapters. So I would end up, going out and buying four adapters to plug in here for each one of these, and then I could use my 1/8 inch headphones. So I really like this because you can plug in just directly these 1/8 inch, or you can put in the 1/4 if you want. And you can also plug in the 1/8 inch with the adapter, but it will take both. So no need for adapters, which is really nice. And then, oh, this is a good thing. So my old one, it didn't have a power off button. This was difficult. You'd either have to unplug it for the wall or find another power adapter with a switch that you could turn off the power. This has an on-off button. So you'd think in this century we would have on-off buttons for everything, but that's not the case. So and then, oh, look right here, this is a cool feature. They have a stereo or a mono button, so you can switch from mono or stereo. So you can look at your jack, for example, and if it has 2 lines on it, if it has 2 lines, then it's 2 black lines, it's a stereo. If it has just the one, it's a mono. So that's nice. So these seem to turn pretty smoothly. These are the volumes for each one of the headphones. Okay. And then also, and this is a new feature, if you notice on my old one here, my old one only has 4 volumes. This 4 volume knobs, right? This has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And this last one here is the input volume. So you could change the input volume for all 4 of these if you want. It's kind of like a master volume in. So that's a very nice feature. And then here's the plug for the power cord, right? It just plugs in right here, goes to the wall. And then power it on and plug in all of your headphones, and you should be good to go. So I use this for my students and me so that we can listen to songs together and play along to them with a single input, and then you could have up to four headphones. I only use 2 generally, but I think it looks like a very nice little piece of equipment here. I like the colors, blue and black. And I think it'll do really well here in the studio. So I'm excited to use it. Anyway, so that's what you get in this box, and I just wanted to share it with you guys. And thanks.